Hey team, so check it out. The other day I was going through some art forums on Facebook and I ran into this painting. I like this painting. I think it's pretty cool. It's well painted. I like the expression on the cowboy's face. Problem is, I hate how it's arranged. The composition itself really bothers me. So I thought, let me fix it. And that's what we're going to do today on STUDIO-214.
Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
So, the first step is to get this here picture into Procreate on my iPad. And I trace around the cowboy and house, duplicate it, and then use the selection tool again and get a nice big old piece of Texas sky. That way I can cover up where the cow feller is at now. It's really just a matter of placing the duplicate cowboy layer on top of things and moving him to where it pleases my eye. And isn't that the trick? Placing things in the right place? It is a composition after all. Words mean stuff. Yeah. Same deal for hills in the background. Ha-ha! Just select them, trace them, duplicate them, and then place them where you need it to be. And then it's just about making it purty. Filling in the stuff that sets the subject of the composition into the painting. Now, I'm not trying to make a wall hanger here. I'm just trying to illustrate how a composition is less about what you are painting and more about how and where you are painting it. Which is why I'm doing this thing at all, to illustrate a point. And, well, you know, I think non-voiceover Greg can do a better job of explaining things. Take it away, big guy. Mind you, I have no idea who painted it, and I'm not trying to pull this off as one of my own paintings. When I saw it, something about it, and I wanted to try to change it up, see if it looked better this way, if I would be right. And I think it's an important point to be made because how and where you put things is more important than what you're actually putting there, if that makes any sense. I've said it a lot. It's not what I'm painting, it's how I'm painting and where I'm painting it that matters more. And this will be one example. So what do you guys think? Is it better the first way, the way the artist originally wanted, or do you like the spacing? Does it speak to you more when the cowboy is moved just a little bit further over? You tell me. Thanks for watching.